What's up, everybody? This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. So, you know I'm an LG fan, right? I got the LG G6, I have the LG G7, and now the new kid on the block, the LG G8 in the building. So, I'm going to unbox it and compare the two sizes between all three of these devices. And let me give you my thoughts on what I think about the LG G8. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready. Woo, let's have some fun, LG style, and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? I'm back with another video. So let's go down and open up the LG G8. I'm excited for this one because as you know, I film a lot of my YouTube videos with LG phones, and I'm always excited to see what LG bring to the table. And as you know, LG always put their nice pretty cloth on top of the device. We get the device here. Let's take it out the package. Also, you do get that second year promise from LG. All right, IMEI numbers and all that stuff like that. So we open up the box, you get the charger, you get the USB Type-C, you don't get any headphones. All right, and this is the Verizon wireless version of the device. I want to give a huge shout out to LG for sending this out to me for review. Let's go ahead and take it out the package. Boom. All right, and let's boot it up for the first time. All right, LG G8, thank you. And we're gonna go ahead on and go over the OS, and let me give you my thoughts about this device. Again, this is the Verizon wireless version. So I'm gonna pause the video, put all my information in, and we're gonna do some comparison sizes between all three generations. All right, so I booted up the device and I got all my information in. Let's go over the specs. The LG G8 has a 6.1 inch 1440 by 3120 pixels per inch. We got the Snapdragon 855 processor with 6 gigs of RAM. We got 3500 milliamp battery in here. We got dual cameras on the back. Right, we got the 12 megapixel and a 16 megapixel camera, and then in the front here we got a 8 megapixel camera. Also, we're running Android 9.0 in the building. All right, so let's go over the device. At the bottom here, you got USB Type-C, and you have the headphone jack, which is that quad DAC in the building. On this side here, you got your power button, also with the SIM slot. At the top here, you got a mic hole, and then on the side here, you got your volume rocker and also a dedicated button for your Google Assistant. All right. So let's go on and do some size comparisons here between both of the devices before I give you guys my thoughts on the OS. All right, so this is the LG G6 and this is the LG G8. As you can see, the LG G8 is a lot taller. Well, not a lot taller, but a little taller than the LG G6. It's kind of similar, right? Look at the back there, right? You got your dual cameras here and your fingerprint scanner right here, all right? Definitely kind of the same when you're looking at the LG G6 and the LG G8. So looking at both of these devices here, the LG G7 and the LG G8, basically both of them look the same. I'm gonna do a comparison video between both of these devices because a lot of people may ask the question, should you upgrade from the LG G7 to the LG G8? Knowing that we have a newer screen technology here, we got the POLED display here, we got the 855 6 gigs of RAM, but we got the 845 in this device too with 4 gigs of RAM. This is the US model, so this is a 4 gigs of RAM, but LG put the 6 gigs of RAM in the LG G8. So there it is, right? That's what I'm talking about. And look, we already know that LG cameras, when they put it on manual mode, is on point. So I know dealing with the cameras on both of these devices, and even with the LG G6, I know I'm not going to have no problems with cameras with this device. Look like the LG G8 is a little smaller notch than the LG G7. And again, you know, it is what it is. Both devices is beautiful. When you're looking at the back of the LG G7 and the LG G8, I mean, it's beautiful. Just beautiful. Look at that. That's gorgeous, especially the LG G7. But you be the judge for yourself when you're looking at the size of both of these devices. All right. All right, so let's go and go over the OS a little bit. You can run the Android 9.0. Look, I am not a fan of LG Skin, so I threw a Nova Launcher on here, and because I'm just not a fan of LG Skin, so I have Nova Launcher running on all my LG phones just because of that. Listen, I don't have any problems with my LG G6 or my LG G7 when it comes down to speed, but with the 855 processor with 6 gigs of RAM, you're definitely not going to have any problems with going through the OS and everything. But now the LG G8 has a POLED display, not IPS LCD display, so that is a good thing when you talk about the screen technology. And I can tell you, so far the screen technology on here is absolutely gorgeous. All right, so LG G8, and it has what's called Hand ID, where I can unlock my device with my hand. I can't even see it. That is, so it worked. All right, so Hand ID. I just opened my phone with my hand. There it is. Let's do that one more time. LG G8, Hand ID. There it is. Just open my phone with my hand. Also, you do have a nice Face ID, and you have a fingerprint scanner. So you do not have the in-display fingerprint scanner on the LG G8, but you do have some other bells and whistles here for this device. That's what I'm talking about. I will make a lot of videos about this. If you follow me on social media, I will be going through some detailed content with this device. So follow the YouTube channel and subscribe. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Look at that. Woo! Let me know what you think about the LG G8 in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.